Move Plus is a drug-free and non-invasive wearable red light therapy system. It's designed to reduce joint pain, promote muscle recovery, and improve mobility. It's a perfect Father's Day gift to celebrate the dads who keep moving and keep us moving. Thank you to Kineon for sending me this product to try out so that I could make this shoppable video to show you how it works. This is the unit I received yesterday. It comes in a nice hard shell case with a zipper. Inside, you'll find a strap on this side. It has holders for the therapy units. 3 holders, 1 for each unit. It has a charging cord. It has instructions, a quick start sheet, a thank you from the brand. Also, it has 3 red light therapy units. This is what it looks like on the bottom. This is what the inside of the holder looks like. So when you put one of these back into the case, match up the silver circle parts. It snaps back in, sort of magnetic feeling. And at the top is a power button to turn it on and off. For now, we'll put it back into the case. And you can lift out this whole section if you want to. You need to charge it before use. On this end, it has the charging port. Right there, it has the charging port. Or, it's easier, you don't even have to take it out of the case. Leave it in the case, and here is a hole at the end of the case so that you can charge it while it's in there. So that's what I did. I didn't bother taking it out. And when you're charging it, each one of these units will light up. A light will show on the edge of this panel right below the units. Right below each unit there will be 4 little lights. And as it charges, when the charge gets to 25%, these lights will be flashing. And when it gets to 25% charged, they'll hold steady. The first light on each one will be steady, and then the other 3 will remain flashing. And then when it gets to 50% charged, 2 lights will be steady and 2 flashing. When it gets to 3 or 75%, 3 lights will be steady and only 1 flashing. And when the final one gets to be steady, that means it's fully charged at 100%. You will use this provided strap to hold the individual units in place. It's easy to place just where you need it. Use it at home or on the go. Let's put the units into the strap. So I pulled one out. Now I just put it in there and it pops in. You hear it pop. And now it's ready to go. It's fully charged. So you put it on the part of your body where you have pain. What you will need to do is turn it over. On the back of one of the units, press the power button. And it immediately lights up all 3. To turn it off, press the power button again. But you could be pressing any one of the power buttons on any unit and it will light up all 3 at the same time. My husband will be using this product to target his chronic knee, shoulder, and back pain. I'm placing the red light device on my husband's knee where he has pain almost every day from his surgery many years ago. And he's tried physical therapy, injections, heat, and medication. So we'll try this. We're setting the timer for 5 minutes today. And we'll try this over the next few weeks and hope for some relief. This system features red light therapy combined with LED, providing clinical supported red light therapy to target chronic pain, achy joints, injuries, and joint issues. The company has reported that the technology is backed by science, with over 6,000 medical studies indicating proven benefits. When you're finished, place the units back into the case, matching up the silver circles. Move Plus was designed by engineers and health pros for real results, and it's trusted by both weekend warriors and pro athletes. So I recommend it as a great gift for Father's Day, birthday, or holiday for anyone who experiences pain.